Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'd like to show you more the child Funko Pops. Well, the first child that I have is the child with frog. Here he is, eating the frog. So don't eat it. Don't eat it, Grogu. Don't eat that frog. The next child Funko, and the next child Funko Pop is the child with the control knob that he likes so much. He always tries to take it from the Mandalorian ship. So yeah, it's one of his favorite things, the control knob. So thanks for watching, everyone. I hope you like these Funko Pops. And please have a great day.